Ah, in the fiery furnace of Babylon, three faithful men stood firm. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego refused to bow to King Nebuchadnezzar's golden statue, choosing faith over fear. Thrown into a blazing furnace, they were not alone. A divine presence walked with them, and the flames did not harm them. The king, astonished, called them out, declaring their God the true God. This story of unwavering faith and divine protection teaches us that even in life's hottest trials, we are never alone. Stand firm in faith and witness the miraculous.